is Hans the Ramen Raider. And today, this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I am happy to say that my son is back to school, but not today. He was back to school all last week. They had a little extracurricular thing. Let's bring home the sick. I'm sick. Today, we're going to cook up this Maruchan Seimen. It's a Chanpon. Kind of like a seafoody stewdy-doo. Udu. Seafood stew, Japanese. You might have heard of Chanpon. That's kind of the Korean answer to Chanpon. But I had to dismantle the bowl. So it goes in the pot. I feel really sick today. So the noodles go in the bowl. This one goes on. Nah, that goes on after. This is a powder sachet. He's out there chatterboxing it up. He's on his tablet. That's amazing. I know you can't hear him, but not only did he bring home the sick and get it pretty rough, I have it, and his sister has it. I feel like it's like going to be constant Star Wars reference day here. It doesn't have to be. It's going to take 5 minutes, but let me show you this thing. There we go. Look at that. What is that? Do you know what that is? This is one of those little funky blocks that always feel like they're solid, but usually they're kind of busted up a little bit at least. Yeah, this one's just a little busted up. We're all busting up and talking hard rain. Okay, there's a Thunderdome reference. People should take a drink every time I mention Dune, or Star Trek, or Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. I don't even know if you can hear me. See that? Okay. I'm like totally room limited. There's like, we went to Canada, so there's like stuff from Canada. Watch. The mystery unfolds. Or the legend, or it turns into this. Wow, that smells good. It smells of seafood. Imagine that. And then we've got that and that. One is a garnish, I'm pretty sure. This came in a Zenpop box, which means I'm going to now tell you to go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code RamenRaider for a discount. Oh, God. I've been snotting all morning. A snot machine, folks. Beam me up, Snotty. What you doing, Miles? He's chattering and moving about the living room. So, Yeah, so one of my readers, a guy named Andrew from south of here, hits me up one day. He sent me these Atomi noodles, and they're super good. Those were rad, thank you. And then on one of my videos, I was complaining about trying to find shoes, and he offered to buy me a specific pair of shoes at no cost to me, and they came today, and I'm really stoked. Thank you very much. It isn't every day that somebody I don't know just like says, "Hey, you want a pair of shoes?" I'm like, "Yeah, okay." They're next to me. I've tried them on. They'll need a little bit of time to wear in, wear on, wear. Am I? But yeah. Here, I'll show you a shoe. I could show you both. I'm gonna show you one. Check. Make sure the camera can see it. And I don't want to get the shoelaces in the soup. Check that out. Yeah. This is a... Man, they still smell good. They're UK Gear PT1000 SC. Kick. And here's this side. It's got all this like see-through stuff here. I really dig this. It's got the little UK thing on the back. Check that out. Whoa. They're supposed to be good for running and stuff. Running and playing and frolicking outdoors. And I guess you can wear them for over 1,000 miles without them exploding or falling apart. Unlike myself. So yeah, that's cool. I was thinking, yeah, I'm gonna take these out as soon as my wife gets home. I'm breaking out of the baby cage and running outside and gonna try these on a walk to the store. It's just dumping rain out, so that might have to wait. It's supposed to rain tomorrow too. I'm like, but I wore them for an hour or so earlier, and I'm gonna wear them for probably at least another hour today. Do them slow, and yeah. Stay tuned. They'll be highlighted in the upcoming video about my walking and such and doings and conspiring. Oh, he's over there talking to Alexa. That's what Miles is doing. Or no, he's mimicking what's going on his tablet. Hey Miles, why don't you go relax, buddy? Although, he's not really doing anything strenuous. Alright, I think we have a noodle. And there's this little garnish to go on top, but I'll try this before the garnish goes on. This looks like a big chunk of garlic, though. Or meat, I don't know. Try a vegetable. Cabbie. Nothing but the dehydrated cabbie hit. Damn, that was really hot. I didn't have a napkin in hand. Those noodles need way more time. I'm sorry, but 5 minutes just ain't doing it for me. Those are way too stiff. It's like, when there's noodles and broth, I like there to be a certain balance. If the noodles are too rigid and stiff, it's like here are the noodles over here, and here's the broth over here. I like them to be like this. If they're not, it just doesn't work, except in very rare circumstances. And even then, I mean, like zaru soba, like a dipping soba. So you've got cold noodles, and then you got this little dish of stuff that you dip the noodles in. It might have like a wasabi soy flavor or something like that. But when it's too far apart on things, generally it doesn't make me happy. And I hate to say it, but I don't know how happy that makes me. But definitely not Zenpop's fault, that's for sure. I generally like their, they make some interesting choices. Definitely stuff that I'm not going to know how to see anywhere. Hey, that worked out pretty well, didn't it? Didn't it? Okay. Now, let's tantalize the folks. Miles, shall we tantalize them? Yes? He's ignoring me. Having difficulty. The broth is quite good. I'll give it another bite after I've taken all the glamour shots and stuff. It said something about like this is a garnish. I swear to God. Okay. That doesn't look like a little... Like, don't forget to sprinkle this on top. Well, that's garlic. Okay. And then we've got... Sucks. I went to the store this morning, runny nose and all, because I didn't have time to get mung bean sprouts this weekend. Oh, they've got them right up front. They expired on the 21st and it's the 23rd. I'm like, no! Go way back. Pull out a bag. They expire tomorrow. So we've got 1 day's worth of mung bean sprouts. So I'm using it on... I'm only doing 2 reviews today, but because of the need to walk to the store to get stuff to do my reviews. And what happens? That local grocery store is Safeway, and the people there generally are alright. It's not their fault. I think it has to do with distribution. I really don't know. I really don't care. I'm really, really anal when it comes to mung bean sprouts. And I know they probably know that. Like, yeah, I went and got mung bean sprouts. Did you find everything alright? Well... yeah. Probably like, oh, here comes that ramen raider, that old curmudgeon. Sesame seeds. See what's going on here? Yeah, let's see more what's going on here. I just feel like total crap today. There's some sheege. We're at some oil. I think we're good. This is like wedding music. Why are we listening to wedding music? I mean, weddings are alright. I've done that. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rainer wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.